Hello beautiful people. So in this competitive programming series we're going for next question, that is for the understanding of nested list in any language. I prefer Python, so nested list in Python. It is a question of HackerRank, and it is, I will say, it is not too easy but not too medium. It is middle of easy and medium level, and it is very easy and conceptual, and you will learn more in depth from this question. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, go and click on subscribe button. If you like this video, hit a like button and share with your friends. So let's get into it. So let's first of all read the question. It says that a given name and a grade for each student in class n student. Okay, there is a list of n students with the score. Store them in nested list and print the name of students having second lowest grade. Mark my word, second lowest grade. Okay, let's see an example. So as we know, what is nested list? Nested list is a list having a inbuilt having a inside a form of record in the list form. Okay, the list having inside a record in the form of list only. So you see, यहाँ देख सकते हैं आप कि there is a list of a record, and there inside the list there are several lists of a stored record, that is a name and the grade. ओके एक लिस्ट है जिसके अंदर एक और लिस्ट है, फॉर्म्स ऑफ लिस्ट है जिसके अंदर नेम एंड स्कोर स्टोर्ड है. ओके, सो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है वो नेम्स हैविंग अ सेकंड लोएस्ट स्कोर. सो एज यू कैन सी इन द एग्जांपल, देयर इज अ नेम ऑफ 3 students and each students get marks 20, 50 and 50. So second lowest score is 50 because lowest score is 20 and then second lowest score is 50. So we have to find out the name of those students having second least score. Let's say the input. Okay, 5 names: Harry, Barry, Tina, Akriti and Harsh. Okay, having the scores like this. So you can see the second lowest score is 37.21. so 2 names are highlighted, that is Harry and Barry. So in this code, let's see how we proceed into this. So let me take in the whiteboard. Okay, so we have given, okay, let's take an example. We have given like this. Okay, name of student 1 having, let's take an example of 5. Okay, and second student n2, we take n2, we take n2. Okay, we take n2, and let's say 6, and third is n3 and 8. Okay, we have taken a set of list and the 3 student n1, n2 n3. We know the answer. Okay, the output will become in the name, that is n. The lowest score is this, the second lowest score is 6, so n2 will be our output. Okay, output. So how we'll going to proceed that? Okay, let's say we input this in the form of random. Okay, as you can see in the example right here, that it is a random form. Okay, so first we're gonna sort this list. We're gonna sort this list in the key of score. मीन्स हम इस लिस्ट को सॉर्ट करेंगे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्कोर्स. ओके, लेट्स से वी हैव गिवन 6, 5 and 8. सो वी द सॉर्टेड लिस्ट विल आंसर लाइक 6, 5, 6 and 8. And let's say there is also a n4 of same score. Okay, we have a same score, another name. Okay, so what we're going to do, if then the 5, 6 and 8, this type of list will be generated after sorted. Okay, तो after sorting हमें एक ऐसी टाइप की लिस्ट मिलेंगी जिसमें 6 and 8. This type of duplicate value will also occur if the score are same of 2 students. Okay, so what we're going to do, we will make it in set. Okay, we will make in set. हम इसको set में convert कर देंगे. So the no duplication value is allowed, no duplicate value is allowed, only the value will occur in like this 5, 6 and 8. So the next step we will do that, if we have done this, okay, and we have some nested list. Okay, so we'll make a loop. We will make a loop for n stands for name and s stands for score in sorted list. sorted list of this. Let's name this as score. Okay, let's name is li. Okay, let's name is li. Sorry for the writing because I am writing from mouse, but I trust that it is easy to understand in the whiteboard, and then we'll go for coding. Okay, and we'll say score if score is equals to that sorted set, that is set, that this set, let's say s o. Okay, then s o 1. Why I have taken 1? Let's say this index is 0, this index is 1, this index is 2. Okay, after sorting and make it in set, the first index value is the second lowest score. Correct? Am I correct or not? The first index value is second lowest score. First lowest score is 0 index, second score is 1 index. So I have done if the score is equals to the second index, that is 1 index score, so we'll print the name. Okay, so this is the total scenario. Now I will make you understand more easily in the form of coding. So let's go for coding. Okay, so this is the predefined template. Okay, let's go. First of all, we have to make a list. We have to make the list as I show you this li list. Okay, this li list we have to make that. So what we're going to do, we make a main li. Okay, so first of all we have to initialize that as a form of list. Okay, wait, I think it is not visible. Now it is visible, and we will append, we have to make nested list. So see how I make it, name and score. Okay, so it is a main list. We have appended name and score that we're gonna input from user or from us. So what we have to do next? Okay, we have make this list. Okay, now we have to perform sort. So there is a predefined function in Python that is sorted. Okay, so we will store in the variable. So let's say I stored in second because we have to second low. Okay, and we use sorted, and we have to make it in a list form and set of what? Okay, we haven't made the score list. Okay, so let's make a score list and initialize with this, and we have separate list that is score list dot append score. Correct? So we'll go here and score li. Okay, so what index should be stored in the second low? So we have removed the duplication because we have insert the set, we make it list. Okay, that list we have to find the index that is 1 index. As you see here, we have to find the score that is on first index. So हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे हम एक करेंगे ऐसे करके हम इंडेक्स फर्स्ट इनिशियलाइज करेंगे. ये एक तरीका होता है जिससे हमें सेकंड लोएस्ट किसी भी नंबर का, सेकंड लोएस्ट किसी भी ग्रुप ऑफ डेटा का हम निकाल सकते हैं उससे, राइट. तो हमारे पास वो सेकंड लोएस्ट स्कोर आ गया. अब हमें कंपेयर करना है. यस, सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी डू फॉर फॉर n कॉमा s. ओके, इन सॉर्टेड, if you gonna not do sorted, अगर हम sorted भी नहीं लगाते that also works. Okay, it's for convenience and fast processing, because if we have lots of data set and we sorted it out, and the last thing it's at last. Okay, and the score of lowest thing is it first. जो कम score होगा वो सबसे आगे होगा, and जो second lowest होगा just उसके second index पे या last index पे होगा. So it is convenient and easy for computer and for process compiler also. We go if s is equals to second low, then we print n. Okay, I think it should work. So let's run this code and see how it works or not. It's showing list out of range, so let me see what's okay, indentation, and now see it's working or not. Yeah, and if we submit this code, let's see if it passes all test cases or not. Okay, yeah, so we'll got all the test cases, and it is a, I think it is a very simple problem. The thing is, if you're not using that sorted keyword, we can also do it as in the loop form, okay, but it increases the complexity, and I use this keyword because it is I make you to familiar with this new function and method of sorted, and also the concept of nested list and how we use it. That is all for today. If you like this video, hit a like button and subscribe to my channel, and also share with your friends, and we'll see you in next video. Okay, bye bye.